Hi guys. We are back in our hotel, guys. It's already 2 in the morning. Galing kami doon sa Tom Collins pub. Nag one glass lang kami saglit. And yeah, bumalik na kami dito. So yeah, quick story tayo guys from the border of Georgia to Armenia. So yung nangyari pala is dumating kami sa Armenia exact time at 4. 2 oras talaga yung biyahe guys. Tapos nagantay yung tour guide namin doon for Armenia doon sa kabilang border. So yung nangyari is tumiretso yung tour guide namin sa territory ng Georgia, no? Georgia, tapos sinarang siya ng pulis. Kasi dapat doon siya magantay sa amin talaga sa border ng Armenia. Kaya, ang nangyari is, naglakad kami going to the border of Armenia kasi may bridge. So, doon kami naglakad. Siguro mga 10 minutes walk from Georgia to Armenia. At in literal na lakad, guys. But okay lang, just for the experience. Talagang literal na nilakad namin yung Georgia to Armenia. And then yung process naman, if you are UAE residents, visa on arrival lang. So yung bayad is still the same, 30,000 dirham. So it's equivalent to 30 dirhams lab, no? 30 dirhams, yun yung bayad ng visa. So you have to show your Emirates ID, make sure it's a valid one. And then buti na lang hindi maraming pasahero. So, mabilis lang yung process ng visa namin. So, siguro, nagstay siguro kami sa immigration around 30 to 45 minutes. Yun. So, mabilis lang yung process namin. Wala namang tanong-tanong. May pinapa-fill up lang na papel about your information, passport number, expiry date, and issuance date. Ganun lang, guys. So far, so good naman yung experience namin sa border. So, yeah. And from Armenia border going to Yerevan, mga 3 hours talaga yung biyahe, guys. So, medyo malayo talaga. So, in total, 5.5 hours yung travel time. Which is good kaysa mag-train kayo na it will take 12 hours. Kasi may option naman na you will take overnight train from Georgia to Armenia, but for us it's not convenient kasi 4 naman kami, then we will just split the cost of the private car. So yeah, tomorrow ko na kayo ito room tour kasi maaga na, we're all sleepy, and bukas may tour na naman kami, guys. So, pupunta kami sa mga monastery and may bago kaming pupuntahan daw. I don't know. So, call time naman is 9 a.m. Yeah, so we need to sleep because wala kaming tulog. Alright?
Morning,
so
guys. It's our second day here in Armenia.
Second day.
Official first day here in Armenia. So, it is Wednesday. It's February 19. So, may tour kami today, guys. Pupunta kami, yung itinerary today, pupunta kami ng Gegard Monastery, Garni Temple, Symphony of Stone. Then, itatry namin yung lavash making. So, lavash making is one of the traditional bread making here in Armenia, guys. So, parang flat bread siya. So, try namin yun. So, yan ang itinerary. And then, pupunta kami ng bagong Azat Reservoir. Yun. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. So, yes. So, it's nice to be back here in Armenia, guys. Winter again. With the additional one, June Rex Lofranco. Ang among Arbab friend. Ready na among Arbab friend. Yeah, that's the agenda for today, guys. Current weather is 3 degrees. Medyo gloomy siya today, guys. Walang sun. Pupunta kami ng mountain. So, expect na naman kami na malamig doon at mahangin. and snowy. So yeah, join us guys as we travel or explore Armenia again. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Azat Reservoir. Azat Reservoir. So, umalis kami sa hotel at 10 in the morning. And then, ngayon it's 11 na. So, isang oras yung biyahe guys, papunta dito. Sobrang ganda guys. Walang tao kami lang. Then, papunta dito yung madadaanan nyo. It's very nice yung makikita natin sa mga Ararat. Super nice. Guys, kumusta? Guys, ang lamig dito. Sobrang lamig talaga. Yung kamay ko, nanginginig na. Pero yung view guys, super beautiful.
Go!
Guys, tapos na kami sa Azat Reservoir. Sobrang lamig, guys. But sobrang ganda ng view, no? Yes! Happy! Sarap. Nagdala si Martin ng wine. Ang sarap ng wine, in fairness. Di ba?
Early morning grind.
Yes, happy! Sobrang lamig, guys. Grabe. Nagnanam na yung kamay namin, but it's super beautiful. First time din namin pumunta dito. So if you are in Armenia, include nyo din to sa itinerary nyo. Sobrang ganda. And then yung madadaanan nyo, sobrang ganda din guys. You will you can take a lot of nice photos. And walang masyadong tao guys, kayo lang. So walang distractions.
More trouble, the brakes. More trouble,
guys.
the brakes.
Meron pa biyanan niya yung mama diri na yung papa.
Yeah guys, so next stop would be Garni Temple. So it's just 10 minutes away from Azat Reservoir. So kita-kita tayo doon. By the way, sa Garni pala may entrance fee, but I don't know how much na ngayon.
Best tour guide.
But yeah, I will let you know later once nandun na kami kung how much yung entrance fee. See you there! Hey guys! We are here in Garni Temple. So yung entrance fee natin is 1,500 each. So ito yung ticket guys.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go!
Big 1,000. Yes, kitugnaw na sila. So guys, nag-ikot-ikot kami dito sa Gorney. Sobrang ganda pa rin niya guys. Kaso, this time, wala masyadong snow. Kasi nung last time na pumunta kami dito, 2 years ago, sobrang napapalibutan siya ng snow guys. But this time, there's no snow. But sobrang lamig pa rin. But the structure, still beautiful. It's very nice. So, after dito, pupunta kami ng Symphony of Stone. Nasa baba lang siya guys. I think may entrance fee din siya. Di ko lang alam magkano. Kasi first time din namin pumunta. Kasi last time hindi namin siya napuntahan. Kasi sobrang kapal ng snow. So hindi nakapasok yung tour guide namin last time. So yeah. Ikot-ikot lang kami dito saglit. Nagtitake ng photo. And then, after Symphony of Stone, we will have our lunch. Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa Symphony of Stones. So may entrance fee. It's 300 dram guys. Each person. Sobrang lamig. Nasa baba lang talaga siya ng Garni Temple guys.
Hindi kami nakapunta last time.
Oo. Hindi kami nakapunta last time kasi sobrang snow. So I think close yun that time kasi sobrang kapal ng snow. Pero ngayon wala masyadong snow guys.
Kaya may
And
falls.
parang may falls dito. Yan. Nagsisimula ng umulan guys, may drizzling na siya. Sana hindi siya tuloy-tuloy kasi sobrang lamig. Ganda dito guys. May ilog din siya guys. Ilog. Yan yung Symphony of Stones. So nice here.
Yes. Amazing. How the stones becomes.
Oo, paano kaya na ganyan yung stone? Siguro nahuhulog siguro siya no kaya ganyan yung mga tawag dito. Parang hiwa-hiwa, oo.
Look at this.
Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Sobrang ganda. God's creation is super amazing. Then may river pa dito.
Yeah.
Nag-a-ice pa yung ilog, guys. Gusto mo maligo, love? Yes! Sobrang lamig. Woo! Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon, nagla-lunch. Katapat lang, ay, next
to Symphony.
to Symphony of Stone, guys. May isang restaurant na malaki dito. Dito kami kumain kasi hindi na kaya ng friend ko, gutom na siya. Si Mr. June Vrex.
Gutom na tayo.
It's already 2 in the afternoon, guys. So, may dalawa pa kaming pupuntahan. So, hopefully matatapos kami around 5 kasi pupunta kami ng Vernissage Market. So, yung in-order namin today is healthy living sila, guys. Nag-order sila ng salad. Nag-order kami ni Rhea ng pork, barbecue, and mashed potato. So, maganda dito.
Yes.
Nag-order kami ng 1 liter of homemade wine. Cute ng lalagyan nila.
Namatay, ano?
Morning ba na ito, cake one?
Hmm? 4,000 man na.
So, nandito kami sa lavash, guys. Lavash making. It's Armenian traditional bread. Ito lang siya.
Yes, we buy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Tapos na. Kasi busog kami, guys. Hindi na kami kumain dito. Check lang kami. Tumingin lang kami, guys, paano siya gawin.
Genazig, Glauben, Nazig.
And tapos na kami. Punta na kami sa Gegard Monastery. Ang lamig dito.
Wow, look at us. We are here at Gegard. Amazing gap ng snowfall, guys. It can never die. So amazing.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Gegard Monastery and suddenly nag-snowfall, guys. Look at that! Look at that, guys! Amazing! Amiss pa rin ako sa snow, guys. Sobrang amazing. Umuulan na siya ng snow ngayon, guys. It's already 3:30 ng hapon. After ng lavash making, saglit lang talaga kami doon. And then, dumiretso na kami dito sa Gegard. Like 5 minutes drive lang, guys. Actually, nung pagpasok namin dito, kasi last time, nung pumunta kami, full of snow na talaga from the entrance. But now, wala masyadong snow doon sa entrance. Pero ngayon, nagso-snowfall. May mga snow sa gilid-gilid. Baka siguro natunaw na siya, guys. Pero sobrang amazing pa rin. Kahit na malamig. All worth it.
Worth it. The best.
Sobrang ganda pa rin ng monastery, guys. Sobrang lamig. Lumalakas na yung snowfall sa labas. Hindi nyo ako makikita kasi nasa loob kami. So guys, nandito kami sa likod. So hindi siya maraming snow kagaya nung dati na pumunta kami. So iba yung yan yung paligid, guys, nang walang snow. So parang sobrang dry. Ayun ko ano yung term. Kasi dati dito sobrang kapal ng snow dito, guys. Dito pa nagpadidit si Realin. If nakita mo yung vlog ko 2 years ago, sobrang kapal lang snow dito. Dito banda sa bridge, sobrang kapal. Hindi na namin maakyat yung bridge kasi sobrang dulas. Sobrang kapal ng snow. Ngayon, wala masyadong snow, guys. Iba yung, ang tawag dito? What is the term? Iba yung picture siguro ng lugar. Iba yung aesthetic. Pero maganda pa rin yung place, guys, overall. Pero mas maganda siguro kung napapalibutan ng snow yung paligid. At least may snowfall na experience ni Vrex yung snowfall.
Yes!
Sobrang lakas ng snowfall ngayon, guys.
Yes! Perfect.
Yeah.
Ang
So
tagal, no?
yun, oo. Sobrang lakas ng snowfall ngayon. Sobrang lamig din. Remote ka.
Sige lang.
Hi guys! We are here sa souvenir shop. Dito kami ngayon sa Vernissage Market. So nakabili kami ng mga silver as usual. Dito kami nakabili last time guys nung pumunta kami dito sa Armenia 2 years ago. So bumili kami ng friendship ring additional for June Breaks. Buti na lang meron pang available. Umuulan dito guys.
Yeah.
Maaga pa naman. Maaga kaming natapos actually by 5. Natapos na kami. Dumating na kami dito sa Vernissage. Then nag-ikot-ikot lang dito. And we bought some stuff.
Dito. Balay.
So now, pauwi na kami guys.
Bye.
We will take a rest and then after we will go out. Maybe mga alas 9 na siguro kami lalabas. Okay. Hi guys. We are going to Tavern Restaurant to have some dinner. Umuulan guys, sobrang lamig. Naglalakad kami going to Tavern. Nagpa-reserve na kami guys at 8:30. Kaso late na kami. Kasi nakatulog kami. So malapit lang naman siya, walking distance lang naman from our hotel. Alright, see you.
Ano di, magpupuli man talaga.
Gani. Sige na.
Tapos na kami dito sa Yerevan, guys. So, yung nabayaran namin is 15,950. So, may 4 na kaming food na in order. Overall, I can rate the restaurant 8/10. Masarap naman siya, guys. Masarap yung pork nila. So, after here, pupunta kami ng isang pub dito. Kalimutan ko yung name. Maaga pa naman, it's still 9:30. So, yes.
Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep finding never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely, and I want it back. I want the old me, trying to forget, but things just remind me. There's a million things I could say, but you never really knew them, but you never really knew them.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta